Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your work, backup solutions, custom settings, and any exported templates so nothing is lost. Once done, close Visual Studio 2010 and sign out of any extensions that sync to the cloud. Make sure background services are stopped. Now open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, locate Microsoft Visual Studio 2010, and choose Uninstall or Change. This begins the core uninstall wizard. Follow prompts to remove the main product before tackling redistributables and SDKs. Next, you remove all associated components. Uninstall Microsoft SDKs, redistributables, and SQL Server Express instances installed by Visual Studio. If the control panel method fails, use the VS 2010 uninstall utility or run msexec/x with the product GUID to forcibly remove packages. Then, manually delete remaining folders in Program Files x86, Program Data, and your user app data. Be cautious when deleting. Confirm paths. Finally, clean registry keys tied to Visual Studio 2010 if you are comfortable editing the registry. To finish, reboot the PC and run disk cleanup to clear temp files. Optionally run a trusted cleaner to remove registry traces. If you plan to reinstall or update, only add back needed components and consider repair options to avoid repeating work. If something goes wrong, error messages, missing files, or install loops, boot into safe mode, review Visual Studio setup logs, and use System Restore or your backups to recover. If an installer reports a locked file, find the locking process and stop it before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.